Hi, I'm Heather. I'm a 44-year-old business owner who is a corporate trainer for Quiznos and Taco Bell. I was born in New York, raised all over Canada, which has some advantages and some disadvantages. Not long ago, I struggled to figure out how to create an income doing what I love to do and to have balance in my life so I could ultimately be happy and feel good. Because who doesn't want that, right? At the time, I kind of felt like I was going around in circles and struggling to get what I wanted, like make it happen. Then I discovered how to get so clear about every area of my life, including my health, my wealth, my relationships, among other areas. Now I'm so clear about what I want in every area and how to get it that everything is just flowing to me instead of me running around in circles and chasing it and making it happen. My friends and family were commenting on my healthy glow, my energy, how my business has just taken off, and how everything just seems to have magically come together in a really short period of time. And they wanted to know what I did to have such a huge turnaround. To learn exactly how I did this and how you can do the same, enter your best email address below and you get free instant access to my special video, Create Your Ideal Life Workshop. I'll see you there.